Have you ever wondered which road bike would be your ultimate ride? Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore a range of road bikes, from sleek designs to versatile performers, powerful roadsters, speed-driven contenders, and trailblazing options. Which one will emerge as your perfect ride? Let the showdown begin. Starting off, we have the S-Works Turbo Creo, a masterpiece in the realm of e-bikes. It boasts a Fact 11er carbon frame, FutureShock 2.0, and a 1X build incorporating SRAM Red Axe ATAP, making it the embodiment of both performance and style. The Cell 1.1 motor, a featherlight powerhouse offering 240 watts of noiseless support, pairs seamlessly with an ample range and avant-garde features, establishing the Creo as a formidable contender. Sporting up to 80 miles of range from the internal battery, coupled with an optional range extender extending it by 40 miles, banishes any lingering battery anxiety. Through the specialized app, riders can tailor the SL 1.1 motor to their liking, document their journeys, and keep a close eye on the battery status. The FutureShock 2.0 contributes to reduce fatigue and increase speed, featuring a knob for compression adjustment and hydraulically damped internals for rebound control. Additionally, the gender-neutral geometry ensures a comfortable and dynamic fit for riders of all preferences. Moving on to the ACTBEST Core electric bike, a novel commuter e-bike designed for versatility with a powerful 500-watt brushless motor, a 7-speed transmission, and 26-inch tires. It's a smooth operator on various terrains. The removable 36-volt, 13-ampere battery, oil certified and shockproof, is not only easy to charge, but also offers a range of up to 35 miles or 50 miles on a single charge. The LCD screen provides key information such as speed, battery level, and assist level, ensuring a seamless ride. Front and rear disc brakes, dual front suspension, and a 5-level pedal assist contribute to a comfortable and safe riding experience. The adjustable step-through design accommodates riders from 5 feet 4 inches to 6 feet 5 inches, and the aluminum alloy body ensures durability with weight-bearing capacity of up to 350 lbs. Now, let's explore the Velotric Nomad one, a versatile and powerful e-bike ready to conquer any weather and terrain, featuring a 750-watt high-performance motor, a 48-volt 14.4 ampere removable battery, and a stylish design available in 7 unique colors. The Nomad one is not just a mode of transportation. It's a style statement. The bike offers a 50% longer range compared to similar bikes on the market, with up to 55 miles on a single charge. The reinforced aluminum step-through and high-step frames cater to riders from 5 feet 1 inches to 6 feet 9 inches. Safety is a top priority with old-certified components, hydraulic disc brakes, IP6 grade waterproofing, and a rear light for added visibility. Rigorous testing ensures top-notch quality and reliability. Let's move on to the Ribble Endurance SLR Disc Hero, a Yuki-approved marvel that combines advanced carbon construction with cutting-edge technology. It features a Shimano Dura S 2-12 series gearbox with aero-enhancing features and level 5 carbon integrated handlebars for speed and accuracy. The bike's wireless electronic shifting precision, Superlight NV Road Foundation 45 carbon wheels, and Continental GP5000 as a TR tires contribute to its speed-driven design. The carbon seat post, composite shaft, and lightweight physique saddle enhance comfort and control. Finally, let's delve into the Sphinx FS Epic Charcoal, a full suspension electric mountain bike designed for serious trail enthusiasts. The Sphinx is a lightweight electric mountain bike with a 6061 hydroformed alloy frame, 130 M travel suspension, Shimano MA200 hydraulic disc, brakes, and a Nanda 100 mid-drive motor. It offers comfort and control with the 130 M travel suspension for convenient with 38 air rear shock, keeping the 29 into 2.4 inches Maxxis Reckon tires planted on the trail. The Shimano 200 hydraulic disc brakes provide stopping power and control, while the Shimano Dare 1 into 10-speed shifters and RDM 4000 120 door 10-speed ensure gears are never missed. The NM100 mid-drive 250-watt electric motor and 36-volt 15-ampere battery pack provide ample power and range. There you have it, friends. An in-depth exploration of 5 remarkable electric bikes, each offering a unique blend of performance, style, and innovation. Which one speaks to you? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more thrilling reviews and comparisons. Until next time, happy riding and stay electrified.